So, welcome to my review section, friends. You guys must have seen the unboxing and tell me in the comments how you liked the unboxing. So, these are my 8 chapters of the video. First of all, let's start with the unboxing experience. And I also include parcel packaging in the unboxing experience as well. And you guys may say, what is the need to include parcel packaging? Let me tell you guys why it is important. Don't you want your package to be in perfect condition when it is delivered to you? I mean in 100% original condition. So that's why I also include it. So the product that I am going to review is an open earbuds from Sivga brand, and this is my first experience with open earbuds. Nowadays open earbuds are also very popular in the market. So the way Sivga has delivered and done the package, you guys can see the corners of the box. It came in 100% perfect condition, and it really feels amazing. So 10 out of 10. And now if I talk about the box and presentation, I also liked it very much. Box is little heavy, but it will give you the smoothest unboxing experience ever. I will show you. You can see how smooth it is. So you can see the unboxing was too smooth, and it feels really amazing. The presentation is simple and good. I really like the box and presentation, so 10 out of 10. And by the way, I forgot to tell you guys that I am reviewing it at least after 3 weeks. So inside the box you get your user manual, I mean a user guide which has multiple languages, and a charging case. I have actually repacked it. This is our charging case. Actually it looks like soap, but anyway, it has a matte finish and it is very good. And you get one type C charging cable. So that's it. So if I talk about the design and look of the its charging case, it is very beautiful. You can see it is beautiful. It is quite big as well. And if I talk about the design and look of these open earbuds, you get actually two colors in it. One is white and one is black, but I like the white one, and that's why I ordered it in white. And its design is actually really beautiful and attractive. You can see it is beautiful. And if I talk about the fit and comfort, the comfort level is 10 out of 10. But in fit, here's what I have to say. These earbuds fit really well over your ears, but it feels they are not. Do you understand what I'm saying? They don't fall when you shake your head, but you just feel like it will fall and are not fit completely. So these earbuds fit really well, but you just don't feel it. So I hope that I have made you understand my point. And as far as the build quality is concerned, the build quality is absolutely excellent. Very well finishing. You can see, you cannot question it. Very well done. And when it comes to its sound quality, I have no words to describe it. Sound quality is just amazing, and I'll tell you why. Sound quality is very enjoyable. So let me explain to you guys. And I also want to mention that this is the first time I have heard such type of sound. It can be a great option for music lovers. Its bass is a woofer bass and a very deep drummy bass. I will explain in simple words. It's like you are alone in your room, and you got really big woofer speakers and you are listening to them, but all in these open earbuds. And the bass of these is just so amazing that it is so fun and enjoy to listen. It feels as if you are in a big music concert, but all is happening in your ears. I hope I have explained it well. The vocals aren't going to be good. I mean, you may not enjoy watching movies, news, podcasts, etc. in it, but only music. I mean, if you are listening to a podcast, you are going to feel like you are sitting in a huge hall and two people are talking to each other through mics and you are hearing their voice in speakers. So I hope I have made you understand my point. So overall, I had a good experience with them. Their price is 70 US dollar, which in my opinion is somehow justifiable. And I also want to say that you can see the specifications here as well, so that you should know what you get in 70 US dollar. So is somehow justifiable, and I'll tell you why. You get a very good and a great music experience. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.3, which is really fast and good. Battery capacity of the box, the charging box is 600 milliampere and its standby time is about 300 hours and charging time is about 2 hours. So that's actually really good. And the usage time is, that's what the brand claims, is keep playing music for about 9 hours direct with 50% volume, and its transmission range is 10 meters, so it will be effective. And I found it just right from what I've used, and I think I used more than 9 hours. Maybe I didn't just listen to music. And that's my review of Sivga S01 open earbuds, and I hope you liked it. And I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel and must press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming video. Like my video and share your opinion in comments. I want to know your opinion as well. Be happy and in peace. Goodbye.